Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. Has your rear catch little latch stopped working on your BMW 1 Series? I'll show you how to get into it, to get through to the catch and work out how to fix him. Inside here, the procedure to getting all of this off is really straightforward. These little clips that hold your thing on, they are actually securing these brackets. We do need to get this bracket off so that we can then get that one off. So undo that screw and then the rest of it is clips. It'll lift straight off. Same on that side. And then here you can see there's screws there and there, and there's pins there and there. Now these, you just spin out and then get a screwdriver under these and lift them up. These are just a normal torque screw, but these are these silly little plastic clips. So you do have to undo the inside and then that'll lift out quite easy. And then everything else does just pull down and that whole panel will come off, which will give you access inside. And I'll show you the clips on the other side of this panel. We're inside, we've got all those panels off. This big one has just clipped off like this. Okay, so once you've got all those internal panels off, you're now in here where the wiper motor is and where the badge is. This is it from the back. So we can unplug the plug here, as you can see, and you've got torque screws bits here to get this out, and you can pull it apart. Often with switches like that, you can have a look at the contacts, see what's going on, but that's how you get inside anyway. And if you're replacing it, then obviously just switch him straight out. And if you're repairing it, then pull it out and have a go at that. Thanks for watching.